Hello guys, welcome back to the channel guys. It's been a short while since I've posted a video, so welcome back. And if you're new to the channel guys, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe. It's free, you gotta pay nothing, it's a free channel. I hope you guys been doing well. And today I'm gonna make some it's Saturday morning, so I'm gonna just be making a little pancakes. So I invite you guys to make pancakes with us. I'm gonna be using this one. It's Whole Foods buttermilk pancakes. So I'm gonna be using a 1 cup measurement. I don't eat eggs, so I'm not going to be using any eggs. Measure 1 cup. That's enough. Guys, remember to hit that subscribe button, guys. Like and share the channel, guys. We're up to 10,000. Trying to get another 10,000 subscribers, so help us out guys. Subscribe. Okay, have a little butter. And just add my milk. Add some blueberries. One of my favorite berries. Blueberries and raspberries. Right, mixture looks good. I don't want to mix it too much. Start heating up the pan all the time. Add a little more water. You guys can let me know what type of pancakes you love. I have blueberries, so I'm gonna add some blueberries to it. I love blueberry pancakes. Okay, so I added the blueberry and some olive oil. So now we can pour the batter. Let me know how you make pancakes, guys. You know, it's gonna be a fruity morning. Some pineapple. I'm a big lover of fruits and vegetables, guys. Pineapple is very sweet. Guys, don't forget to share the channel, guys. Share it with your friends, share it with them. It's free. And hit the subscribe button. We're making pancakes, guys. It's Saturday morning. Pancakes. Just flip the pancakes, guys. Having pancakes for breakfast, guys, on this beautiful Saturday morning. It's very sunny outside today. Ooh, looking good on the outside. So pancakes, those delicious blueberries, guys. Looking good. I have one finish here. 1 to 3 pancakes. Okay guys, so I'm just about done with the pancakes. I made only 3 pancakes with fresh blueberries, and we have a little sugar-free syrup here to go with it. So that's it. Saturday morning pancakes for breakfast, guys. That's about it, guys. So thanks for watching while we make our little pancakes. It's been a while, but I'm back. So thanks for watching. Share the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel and see what's next cooking in the kitchen. Happy Saturday. Later.